Alright guys, this is for YouTube, and, hold on guys, I'm taking off my mic. Alright guys, this one's for YouTube. We're just doing cool kills, 360s, silent shots, whatever, no scopes. Just cool kills. But, my dad's kind of annoying me right now. But, I just scared him. And please don't put on my mic, Dad, no! And of course he did. But, I just hit him with the mic. But, I have a question. Dad, I have a question for you. Why are you wearing my headset?
Because it's surround sound.
Sorry guys, that's my... Oh dude, he's spazzing out! The guy's spazzing out! Have you ever seen that? Oh my gosh, I'm getting that on YouTube, definitely. Alright then, but across the map. Very nice. But yeah. My friends were wanting to get on YouTube, so I said, why not? Why not let it fly? Retarded decoys. But, it's really fun trying to get 360 throwing knives or tomahawks, whatever you want to call them on this. Ooh, 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 oh. Where is he? What are you doing? Oh, but anyways, okay, I've still got a couple minutes. But, alright, my dad's being a little weird now, but, we're like spazzing out right now because that tickle. Yes, my dad just tickled me on the arm. But, anyways. I just scared my dad again. That was awesome. He like jumped. Literally. And you do not want to see him jump, I promise you. I'm just kidding, guys. Oh, that was too funny. You do? But yeah, there's a little bit of quick scoping there for you guys. Yeah, there you go. Peace out.